What's good, people? Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel. I am your host, Big Dre, and today is going to be another video about Boss Token. You know, I'm always messing with this mic, bruv. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell so you know whenever I release a new video. For all those who are returning, welcome back. Please hit that like button down below. It does a lot. It helps my channel out a lot. So please make sure you hit that like button. Our target for this video is just to get 5 likes, lad. Just 5. I don't know what's wrong with my voice. I can't talk. My channel is all about football, crypto, and the metaverse. So if you like any of those, this is the channel for you. Also, if you find the videos useful, if you like the content, you can support the channel via the links in the description. As you saw from the thumbnail, this is an update video. We're talking about the news, anything that's new happening in the Boss Token community. The first thing we're going to talk about is the fact that we're actually trending above Shiba. I'm going to put it all up here or there. You play too much. So as you guys see from the little section I put over there, we're actually trending above Shiba, and I've gone through, scrolled through, you know, we're all supporting the community. Everyone's putting their few bits and bobs, their few pennies, you know what I mean, talking about it. As you guys can see, it looks good, you know what I mean. We're doing well, we're doing better than Shiba at the moment, so we've got to be doing something right. Shout out to the Boss Army, you lot always supporting my YouTube videos. I'm gonna put a little thing up here for you lot to look at. As you guys have been so supportive of my videos, I've actually went ahead and made a Discord so we can all sit down, we can all chat, share ideas, and it's not just going to be about Boss Token. You can share whatever you want. I've made a server so we can all share our ideas. Doesn't matter what it's about. It could be about the metaverse, it could be about crypto, it could be about NFTs. Of course, the main thing is Boss Token, but at least it's a community for all of us. We can actually jump on there and just share our ideas. The name of the Discord is actually Big Dre Boss Token Army. This is the original. This is the first one I got started, so no one can ever mistake it and think, oh, which server is it? Nope, my name is in the title, so you know this is definitely our community. Boss Army, Boss Army. Also guys, if we have a little look at the chart, geezer, I'm gonna put it up for you there, fella. As we saw, there was actually a mad spike in the price. It went straight up, hit about 6,000, 7,000, stuff like that. I'm not actually looking at the chart right now, so you know, just gonna have to bear with me. It went 55/6, okay. So about 55/60,000, and then as we saw, a whale just went boom. So we literally shot up, and then everything just went dead after that. And I ain't talking about the Travis Scott concert. Anyway, in my price prediction video, you know, I was asking you why I'm not saying it's 10,000x like I said before. And as I said, it will 10,000x. However, you have to go by what's actually being seen. We're going by evidence. We're not going by what we think is going to happen. Based on the information that we have at hand, it's realistic to say it will 10x, no problem. 10,000x, we have no evidence of that yet. However, I'm basing this all on the community. As we saw with Shiba, the only reason that Shiba is shot to where it is today is all because of the community. Bro, is that duppy moving man's thing? Oh, it's me. The only reason Shiba is where it is today is because of the community and how much the community has actually driven the price of that. But as I said to you guys in the other video, for Shiba to stay where it is, you're relying on every single person that buys to hold out. That's unrealistic. A lot of people who buy that are young. Talking about college students, mate. Uni. Now, of course, I do read through the comments of my videos, and you don't get a bit excited with the price. So as I said previously, I think if the price is sustained, going off the old trend, because the old trend lasted for 18 days, all right? So it stayed around the 32 mark, just under 35,000 for a period of 18 days before it dropped. And throughout that whole time, it was a roller coaster. Bear, pump, dump, pump, pump. And so I said, if we see a recession in the price in the next 18 days, the market's going to do exactly the same thing. It's going to drop. As we've seen, it has dropped down a little bit again. It's testing around that 30,000 mark again. I think if the current trend is based off the last one, we're going to see it drop in price again. Now, if we see it stabilize around roughly 25,000 to 30,000, I think it's going to start shooting up. But at the current moment, I think it's just going to keep dropping in price. Also, guys, I've made the Discord so that we can actually put information in. So if anyone knows why the Boss price has actually gone up, they can put it in the chat, because sometimes you can look around and actually find a reason why, because it is a new token. So a lot of times you're not going to be able to find information about it. Also guys, as you've seen, the price of Boss has actually gone up 154% in the last 14 days. Now tell me, where else are you going to get those sort of returns? Also, if you're going to check the price of Boss Token, I recommend that you use CoinGecko, because that's where it first released. And also when you go on CoinMarketCap, for some reason the data doesn't adjust to the same level as CoinGecko. So guys, that's it for today's video. At this current moment of me making the video, the price of Boss is about 31k. We're still only listed on 2 exchanges. We still got another 8 more to go. Still need to wait for the release of Boss Track, and I think that will make the price explode. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like the content, if it's been helpful to you, you can support the channel. I've put my BNB wallet below so that we can buy more and more Boss tokens. It's been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe.